Welcome to the channel. Today, I will tell you how to make such interactive switches for your report in Power BI. Briefly explain what we have here. We have such switches as parts of the business, its groups and directions. The idea is to show only what is needed in the visualization and not overload it with unnecessary information. When the switches are set by default, the name here will be total all. If we start using them, what we have chosen will be added to the name. I will show. Also, when we select production, in addition to the columns which show the amount of money on the graph, we will also see a line which shows the number of products manufactured. Since in the production part there are areas of activity that are measured not in money but in units of production. In addition, we have the opportunity to add data from last year in the same month to the histogram. Tables with actual data are divided by activity groups. Their structure is almost the same. Directory, responsible for whether to show data for the previous year. Business Parts Directory, where I have separately added a column with the name that we will use as the name of the histogram. And finally, a directory of business groups and their directions. Everything is simple with connections. They are active only with a calendar and one directory of business groups and their directions. To begin, let's write basic measures for each of the business areas. Now, let's add the first visualization, where all the data will be in directions. Just adding the measures that I just wrote is not possible, because it will not be readable. Instead, we will write another measure total from chart. Next, we add a histogram by months and years, which will be the main one in our report. Since our data is measured in both money USD and pieces PCS, I will write new measures in order to correctly display the data in the report. Currently, our measure responds to the business direction switch, but since I passed the index column to the min function in the measure in the swich function, the min function returns 1 by default, which is equal to the business direction. If you want the sum of both directions to be returned when nothing is selected on the switch, then you can edit our measure. And now we write a measure that will add those directions that are measured in pieces PCS line on our histogram. Next, we add the previous year's switch and write the required measure. And finally, let's move on to the name title of the visualizations.